Hello friends, we are going to do a small magic trick. Here this is again based on mathematics. You need a coin 5 rupees and 1 rupees for this. I will ask Shashwat to hold one coin in one hand, one coin in one hand, and just I will ask him some questions and I would be able to tell him which hand is holding which coin. Okay, that is it. So I am going to close my eye and handing him the coin, and then I will answer where the coin is.
Okay.
Because I have not explained him the trick yet.
Okay, so see, he closed the eyes. So now I'm going to show you. So first I shuffle them. Okay, so now this coin I will put in my right hand. This coin I will put in my this hand. Let's see. Now you can open your eyes.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, bhai sahab. Whatever is in your left hand, I will tell you one. Whatever is in your left hand, I will ask you to multiply it with some value. When you are done with that value calculation, tell me okay. Don't tell me the value, just say okay. Then I will ask you second hand and I will ask you to multiply, divide or whatever I want to do with that. And when you are done, you say okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Whatever is in your left hand, multiply it with 10.
Okay. Okay, I've done. Okay.
Whatever is in your right hand, multiply it with 74.
74?
On your right hand is 5.
This second.
In your right hand is 5. भाई साहब ऐसे ही बता रहा हूँ.
Oh, what? What is this?
Okay, shuffle again. I will tell you.
Guys, my calculation, I accidentally told the number, so that's a big issue. So, anyway, this time I'm not going to do it. Sorry about that, guys. So now, this is 5 rupees and this is the obviously 1 rupees. So, I'm going to put this coin, 5 rupees coin in this hand. And oh no, it fall, guys. This will fall in my this hand. Okay, now you can open your eyes.
Whatever is in your this hand, okay, left hand, multiply it with the 27.
Okay.
And tell me.
Okay.
Whatever is in your this hand, multiply it with 64.
Oh, boy, what you are doing? Goa, I cannot do it.
Connection. Now I have already know. I have read your mind and I know which hand is holding one. This hand is holding 5. This hand is holding 1. Show it to the viewers and you would know.
Once again,
How did I know that you have not yet figured out? Okay, again, you want to do?
Sure.
How I am doing it?
Shuffle and
Because you remember in earlier magic trick we connected our heads together.
Oh, wait.
So our heads are connected with telepathy. I can read your mind with Bluetooth Li-Fi Hi-Fi.
So now we cut it like this. Now we cut it like that. What will happen?
You can cut it. It is already paired.
Oh, it is paired. Okay,
Now you do again.
close your eyes. See, he closed his eyes. Now, no, he's just facing down. So, 1 rupees coin in this hand and 5 rupees coin in this hand. So,
Are you done? Okay, I will read the Pascal triangle and find out your answer. Dung-gadika. This hand, whatever you have in this hand, multiply with 21.
21, let me see. Okay, multiply.
whatever you have in this hand, multiply it with 37.
37, I cannot.
Okay, no problem. I will read from your mouth. Ding, 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 ding. This hand is holding 5.
Wow! This hand is holding 5. By the fact you can see it is a little thick.
Do you want to know how I am finding it?
I also don't know. I know that pattern.
Because I am reading your mind with telepathy. Doom, 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 doom. Like this. You want to try it again?
Yeah, one time.
Okay. Convince yourself. Okay.
This time I'll try to figure out what you do. Now, guys, this time I feel he has a little trick. That time I said 5 in this hand, 1 in this hand. So I feel he tries to know somehow that how is that. So this time I'm going to tell you the hand, not the rupees. Now I will tell you.
If you press it hard, you will know which hand is hand is holding 5, which hand is holding 1.
Because
and
this,
you can calculate easily.
Yeah, this is a little thin and this is thick. 5 rupees coin is thick.
Yes. And I will give you a calculator this time.
Oh yeah, yes, sure, give me a calculator. I'll pause the video. Turn it on. There you go.
Okay, start.
Okay, already on.
Which hand is holding what? You already have coins?
I don't have coins. Once again, I will get them. Here are those. So now this time I'm going to show you. Fell. Okay, this time I didn't speak anything.
Okay.
Okay.
Whatever is in your this hand, multiply with 7.
Okay, so okay, I got it.
Give me that hand. Whatever is in this hand, multiply it with 12.
For 12 I can easily do. Okay, done.
This hand is having 5.
You didn't even ask me. How did you do it? Oh no, sorry, 5 rupees. This hand of
This I am checking because I have the Bluetooth connection.
Give me the Bluetooth connection.
This I have the Bluetooth connection and the Li-Fi and the Wi-Fi.
Oh, Mikey, what? If you are receiving mine, see, like this means you are getting my data, but then I am also getting your data. Like this, I am also getting your data. So why I don't get it? Oh,
You are not getting it?
Oh, you have
That
secured
is-
that thing.
I have
Security.
firewall.
Firewall
Okay.
there.
This time it was very close. It was very difficult. I almost lost it this time. I was about to lose it. This time it was very tricky. चलो दोबारा करो.
This time it was tricky.
It was tricky.
Very tricky.
Okay, I gave you 2 numbers that were very easy to do. You want to do it one more time or you want to know how it is done?
I want to know how to do that.
देखो भैया.
Okay, here are
आपके पास हैं. You have 2 coins.
इसको pause करना है कि रखना है?
You have 2 coins. You have 1 and you have 10. Here no calculation is involved, no mathematics is involved, nothing is involved. What is involved here is understanding of human behavior, psychology. So, if I ask you multiply with 37, what is the answer?
37. What is this called?
1.
1.
What is the answer? If I ask you multiply it with 37, what is the answer?
37.
37. When I ask you multiply 1 with 37, you would say 37. 1 second you will tell me. When I ask you multiply 5 with 46, 46,
Oh,
46, 46, you will get confused. You will take 2 seconds. I will immediately understand he is grappling with 5. This and 5 hai.
Oh, Pinky!
Because the moment you start taking longer time, that means whatever hand now I told you that is holding 5.
But how could you do it with 12?
Huh?
How could you do it with 12?
12. When I asked you multiply your this hand with 12, you could immediately say 12.
Yeah.
2 seconds. But when I ask you multiply this with 12, it will still take you 2 seconds. A little longer. The moment you take little longer, I say यही आता है, यही है 5.
Pinky.
Here it is. Okay, you want to try it now? Hold it. I will tell you now. आप इसमें रखो, इसमें 5 रखो, इसमें 1 रखो. Okay. Now, whatever you have in this hand, multiply it with 48.
48.
48. आ गया आंसर इसका तुरंत. 1 इसमें. Okay. Whatever you have in this hand, multiply it with. I will give you tricky number 37, 65 like that. So divide multiplying with 5 is difficult.
Oh, you are doing estimation here.
So I am giving multiply this unit with 17. 17 multiply 5. You are scratching your head. Give me 17 multiply 5. 5 is. Instantly I will tell you here is the 5.
Okay, now you do it. I will give true answer. Papa, no. Show them there. I will close my. Alright, face this way better.
Okay, बता दिया.
दिखा दिया.
ना.
अच्छे से दिखा दिया.
दिखा दिया.
So अभी क्या करेंगे हम? So now guys, let's do the reveal thing. Okay, so जो भी आपके इस हैंड में है, उसको आप 462 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. इसमें 5 है.
मुझे उल्लू बनाओगे?
इसमें 1 है.
मुझे उल्लू बनाएगा. 462. I knew you were asking 462, so already I started scratching my head. Why should I say 462 immediately? I would also play 462. अब बताओ कहाँ?
Okay, now you read. Redo.
अब बताओ.
One second. This time I will do it again then you do, okay?
But there is one way you can.
और आपके राइट हैंड में 5 है.
This time you beat me.
But I want to do one time. This is better. What you don't do that nothing time.
नाटक तो मैं मानने वाला नहीं हूँ. आप जैसे ही कहोगे मैं कुछ ना कुछ नाटक करूँगा. I will not let you win there. Because once I have revealed it, I won't be able to make natak there. But this way you can find out.
Okay.
Okay, अब बताओ. अब कौन सा किसमें?
अब अपने रिप्लेस करना है.
मैं क्यों बताऊँ?
तो इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, उसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो.
अभी आपको पता लग गया होगा कि किसमें क्या है. आपने इसको 3 से किया, इसको 4 से किया. अभी पता लग गया कि आपको किसमें टाइम लग रहा है.
Yes.
19. But
still not. I'm not going to hack you because आपको पंडित द्वारा लगा सकते हो कभी. 19. So आपके लेफ्ट हैंड में 1 है और राइट हैंड में 5 है.
19.
अच्छा 19. So आपके लेफ्ट हैंड में 1 है और राइट हैंड में 10.
10 क्या होगी?
Oh, sorry, 5.
लेफ्ट.
इस लेफ्ट में 1 है और राइट में 5.
दोबारा.
Okay, let's do again, right?
अब बोलो.
Because it is the 5 method, so because it's the 10 method, so for now 10 is fixed in my mind. So I keep doing that and I forget that. Okay, so now you do it again. Mix it up. Okay, so give me that handy method. Okay, now but don't do anything.
Okay, अब मुझे सच बताऊंगा मैं. बोलो.
So आपका जो इस हैंड है इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो.
जैसे ही आंसर ईमानदारी से बताना है.
हाँ 210 से.
पता लग गया.
तो इस साइड में 1 है. Make those numbers now.
अब बताओ।
तो 462 multiply.
462. Yes.
Oh, that one. Do it again. Mix. Those are mix.
अब बताओ।
Those are mix. Okay, this time I will tell you. इसको इस बार 460 to 400.
पता नहीं तो जीरो। Because there is nothing here. बहुत आ रही है।
अब भैया ऐसे नहीं, rules. Okay, this time wait.
Okay.
For a second I got confused. What? Zero?
अब तक।
इसको 462 से multiply करो।
460 कर दिया।
कर दिया तो ये साथ में एक है। अब हम एक इस दिया। Okay, now redo. But this time you do something very easy. Very good. अब एक जोड़ दिया।
नंबर सही है।
अब हमने 3 कॉइन ले लिए। अबे यार, it's fun. 3 कॉइन ले लिया आपने। एक कम करो।
अगर आप 5 और 2 ले लेंगे ना इसमें तो गेम बन जाएगा। एक इवन होगा, एक ऑड होगा। Because 5 is an odd. 1 और 5 से तो ऐसे यही गेम बन सकता है। वो इवन ऑड वाला फॉर्मूला तो नहीं चलेगा। You are right. अब बताओ। कर दिया।
Now that's good. So इस वाले हाथ को आप 460 से मल्टीप्लाई करो।
किसको?
इस वाले हाथ को।
अभी चलता फिरता हाथ है।
इस हाथ को।
किसको?
हाँ, 460 से।
कर दिया।
इधर 1 है।
131। निकाला था असल में 131 नहीं है। 1310 होगा। आप करके 0 लगाना था।
और आपने क्या किया?
100 इसको हाफ कर। असल में गलत है वो भी 231। असल में कोई बुद्धि नहीं है ना प्रयोग करने।
अच्छा, उसको करने के लिए इतनी जल्दी ये बुद्धि नहीं है, मगर तभी बुद्धि है।
थोड़ी बहुत तो कर ही दी थी।
ओके, तभी दोबारा करो।
चल अब दोबारा दे।
इस बार आपने कुछ चैलेंज किए हैं।
अब बताओ क्या चाहिए।
ओके, सो इस वाले हैंड को नहीं, राइट वाले हैंड को आप कर दो भाई ये
462।
यस,
कर लिया।
क्या किया?
2310।
तो ये उसमें 5 है। 2310, how could you do it?
इसका हाफ कर दिया। 2231 और 0 और लगा दिया।
That's it. Yes, it is simple.
मेरे को तो ये लग रहा था कि आप पे काम नहीं करेगी। Because you can calculate with multiplying 5 very quickly.
Yes.
You can calculate with 5 very quickly because सिर्फ 5 करने के लिए आप क्या करते हो, हाफ करते हो और 0 रपेट देते हो। इसीलिए मैंने I gave you multiply with 37, multiply with 27, 23 like that figure.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you did that.
So now you see you can have endless fun, no cost, no paisa, nothing.
Yeah, you need some cost because to buy.
No, you just give it back to your mother.
Fun
Bye.
is there.
So we are
Bye.
still going to play a lot. Bye.
Bye. And I'll meet you in the next video.
We will come up with we have another magic trick coming up now.
Bye. Bye.